In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the iPhone screen flashing or flickering. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point with this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing I recommend doing is just doing a force restart on your device. You can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button and then releasing it, quickly pressing the volume down button and then releasing it, and then pressing and holding that side button until the screen does go black and that Apple logo does appear. After that Apple logo appears, let go of that side button, and this is going to refresh the system and clear minor bugs. If that didn't help you though, go into your settings and then scroll down to this general tab right here and open it up and go into the software update tab, and if an update is available, go ahead and tap download and install. Running the latest version does fix software glitches that may cause flickering. If that still didn't help you though, go back into your settings and scroll down to this accessibility tab right here and go specifically into the display and text size option and just scroll down a little bit until you see the option for auto brightness and go ahead and turn this off. And finally, if that still didn't help you out, go back to your main settings tab and go into the general settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPhone, and then choose reset and tap reset all settings and confirm. This is not going to delete any of your data, it's just going to wipe your settings, but if your screen does still flicker after all these steps, it likely is a hardware issue, and I would recommend contacting Apple support for repair options. Overall, it really is as simple as that though. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.